All right, good morning. I know this is a lot for you guys, so I want to encourage you to make sure you pause the videos, go back and replay them, write it down on paper because just listening to it is not enough. So write it down as I'm going through it, pause, see if you have what I have, go back and listen to it, take some time. I know this is hard. You guys are being big troopers. I appreciate all of your doing. And let's see if we can just get through one more day before spring break. All right, so we're doing elimination, and if you look at this problem, our goal for elimination is to eliminate one of the variables. We want the x's to line up, the y's to line up, the equal signs, and the constants. And in this first problem, hopefully you notice that this is not lined up correctly. Not that I have to move something to the other side, I just need to switch the order here. So I'm going to rearrange this so x's are first, then y's, then equal sign, and then the 13. Now again, I didn't move anything to the other side. I just rearranged things on the same side. So the signs did not change. Hold on one second. I'm just going to rewrite this other equation from above, just so they stack on top of each other. It's just easier. Now I'm looking to see in elimination, do I have the same number with different signs in front of either the x's or the y's? In this case, I do. I look at the y's and I have a positive y and a negative y, and when I add these two equations together, the y's will drop off and be eliminated, and that was my goal. So I get 3x is equal to, and I add this side, I get 45. Now we just have a one-step equation we're going to solve and get x is equal to negative 15. Once we know that, we go into the original equations where there are two variables, and I plug in a negative 15 for x. It doesn't matter which one you go into at all, whatever you think works best for you. I'm going to use this top one. So 2 times negative 15, that goes in for x, minus y equals 32. When I multiply this, I get negative 30 minus y equals 32. And then I'm going to add 30 to both sides. I get negative y is equal to 62. And I get the answer of negative 62 when all is said and done. Okay, and I'm going to write my ordered pair. And then I'm going to see if it makes sense. So it seems weird to me because the numbers are so big, but let's check it out. 2 times negative 15 is negative 30. Minus a negative 62 become plus 62. Negative 30 plus 62 is 32, so that works. Here, I get negative 62 minus 5 times negative 15. That would be negative 62 plus 75, and that would equal 13, so it does check out. Even though the numbers are big, that still works. That's perfectly fine. All right, we did it. Just one more. You're tough, I'm tough, we're getting through it.